Today, we're going to learn how to map your Purdue Career Account home drive to a personal computer to access outside of an ITaP computer lab and anywhere around the world. To do this, we will need to install the VPN software, map the network location, and then create shortcuts to access your home drive. Part 1. Connecting to the Purdue VPN. First, we need to install the VPN software. This is essential because it allows your personal computer to remotely and securely connect to Purdue's servers from anywhere in the world. In your web browser, navigate to the website shown on your screen, webvpn.purdue.edu, to obtain the software. Use your Purdue Career Account credentials to log into the VPN website. This is the same username and password you use to access your Blackboard and Purdue email. Once you log in, the website will proceed through several steps automatically. Typically, it cannot download the software on its own. So, once you see the screen, click AnyConnect VPN. This will download the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. Once installed, launch the Cisco AnyConnect software and log in using your Purdue credentials. Click OK. The windows should close themselves once your computer has connected to the Purdue VPN. The program did not quit. It simply hid itself out of sight. We need to reopen the program. To do so on Windows, simply double-click the AnyConnect icon in your taskbar's notification center. To do the same on a Mac computer, you single-click the AnyConnect icon on the menu bar at the top of the screen and click Show AnyConnect Window. Once the Cisco AnyConnect window appears again, we want to configure the program to automatically connect to Purdue's VPN whenever you log on to your computer. To do this, click the gear icon to open the settings. Once the settings window opens, navigate to the Preferences tab and select the checkbox labeled Start VPN when AnyConnect is started. Close all the AnyConnect windows. Part 2. Mapping your home drive. 2.1. Instructions for Windows. This is where the process becomes significantly different for Windows and Mac computers. First, we'll go through the Windows instructions. You can skip ahead for Mac OS X instructions. First, open My Computer and click Map Network Drive. Select any available letter drive of your choosing. The letter you choose is not important. In the Folder field, type the address you see on your screen in blue. Replace the username part with your Purdue Career Account username. Make sure the Reconnect at Logon checkbox is checked. Click Finish. Now you'll be prompted to enter your username and password to access the Purdue network. Use your same Purdue username and password you've been using, except this time add /Purdue/ before you type your username. Click OK. Your home drive is now mapped to your computer. It should reconnect on its own each time you log onto your computer, given that your VPN is connected, or if you are on a Purdue Wi-Fi network such as PAL 3.0. You can make a shortcut, for instance, on your desktop for easier access to your home drive by simply clicking and dragging the network drive icon from My Computer to wherever you want the shortcut. 2.2. Instructions for Mac OS X. The process for mapping the network drives becomes significantly different for Windows and Mac computers. Here, we'll go through the Mac OS X instructions. You can go backwards for the Windows instructions. From your Mac's desktop, click Go on the menu bar and then click Connect to Server. You can also use the Command K keyboard shortcut. In the window that opens, enter the server address you see on your screen now. Remember to replace username with your Purdue Career Account username. Then click the plus button to add the location to your favorite servers. Then click Connect. You will be asked to enter your username and password to connect to Purdue's servers. When typing your username, be sure to include /Purdue/ before your username. Once you connect, the server icon will appear on your desktop. Double-click it to open up your home drive and access your files. Unfortunately, connecting to the servers on a Mac is not as easy as with Windows. Your home drive server will continue to disconnect each time you shut down or log off your computer or disconnect from any internet. This causes the server icon on your desktop to disappear. An easy way to get around this is to add a shortcut to the server that will both connect to your home drive and open the folder when you click it. To add a shortcut, first open your home drive by double-clicking the server icon on your desktop. Now, click and drag the folder icon at the top of the window either into your sidebar on the left, as shown on the screen now, or to the desktop to create a desktop shortcut. Provided here are the sources for my information, which can provide you with additional help if you need. Thank you, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Contact Purdue's ITaP with further questions or issues.